the rocks. Yeah man, my people. This is how you give it the old fashioned way of moving rock stone, you know. Give it the good old fire. Yeah man, we are remove them rock stone here guys because we're gonna build some house around this area right here. Yes guys, so as you can see, room blocked up already. Bathroom supposed to go around this side around here. We have a lot of rock stone, so we are removing these stones with the old time method. What is happening around here? So yes my people, look at that. So the heat already. Look at that my people. Right through. Look there. Right through guys. Look at that. See how powerful fire is? Look at that. Look at that my people. And the more heat it gets. Yeah, you hear stone up lit up around here someone. More heat it gets guys, is the more this open up. So by the time the fire is gone out, the stone will be out of service. Yeah man, and that's how we do it. Old time method. Fire heat is penetrating this stone right now guys. You can hear it. So soon as the stone burn to an extent and the heat penetrate it the right way, you can throw some water on it. That will help to split it up in different pieces, you know. Yeah man, that is how we do it. So by the time the fire catch come down to this area, then it will penetrate this side underneath right here, so we can finish take off this piece, go up. So bit by bit we take it out my people. Look at that, a lot of fire, and we place some banana trunk. Yeah man, banana that is shoot already and out of commission. We just cut up the trunks and we put it on top of the fire to keep down the heat. So let me go around the other side my people and show you what is happening. Yes, as you can see, a lot of banana trunk. I'll lean up on the side, so when the fire heat start to penetrate, it doesn't come out, it keeps penetrating the stone. You understand? And that is how we do it. You're probably wondering what that piece of zinc is for guys. Well, as you can see, we have some clothesline right above the fire, so we'll just put that piece of zinc on top of it to keep down the excess fire that is going up and some of the heat. Yeah man, so we protect the fire, the clothesline. You probably wonder why we don't pull it down. That's a lot of work right now, and if we put it down we're gonna have to put it back, so improvise. Whoa, here's some more banana trunk man. All of the steam I escape right here. About steam, heat. Yes sir, fire going good or not going good?
Going good, man.
The whole and crown lick off already, you know? The whole and crown gone already, you know? You can't stay there when they hear him up. When they hear him round there prop up man, the whole and head gone man. Yeah, that's true. Piece of wall gone up, so we have to take it around the other side there. Take it for a run so go in on it, you know? Can't bust up your house, so. Banana trunk are doing job man. If you ever move them banana trunk right now, man, the amount of fire you see a blaze out. Full force it a get, man. Full force. 1% out of 100 I escape. Yeah, man, the people, so that is it, man. As you can see, we have a mutton right here, so when we're ready to line up this bathroom, we'll just drop it. Drop a cage right over there. And send it up like that direction. Have a next mutton around here, so. And when we finish work on the stone, we just drop that. And line it up. Put in a wall bar and stuff. Yeah. Somebody cage them over there already, guys, so. That's it. Build some links and get the rest of mutton up and running when the time comes. So we're gonna do some work on the stone as soon as the fire gone out. We'll be attacking that stone, you know. As you can see, a lot of work put in around here already, guys, on the stone. Listen there, man. Stone a shell out, guys. Fire doing its job, man. Fire doing a wonderful job. By the time this gone out, throw some water on it, penetrate it and crack it up, and then we come in with the sledge and the bar. So just stay tuned, my people. You will see the process. We're out for now. We'll come back again in Impressive Family. So this is day 2. We're on the rock stone, guys. So I'm going to flip the camera and show you guys what we're up to for today. So the fire is gone out. Burned down to an extent. So right now, throwing some water on it to cool it out. And we're gonna put out all of the heat right now, and then we can start attacking the rock stone right now. Master. Give him some chippings. Oh, yeah, see, man. Can't run good on in night like that, man. So you have to put it out. Boil the water, boil. Crack up, man. You have to put it out, man, so you will get scorched up. Jump down in there and think of peace and safety. Yeah, take off look like this. Or anything else that can move out. Right now, peeps, I'm holding a 5. Look at that. Look at the big boy. That is it, man. Beat off him head top. You remember the last time we showed you this, guys? It was way up in the air. Look at that now. Holding a 5 out of this one, you know? Yeah. Action. Show you how we do it. Easy. Wow. That is it. Yes, peeps. So we beat it, man. Take off piece. And we'll have 5 out of the eat, you know. This place is very hot. So then big boy to move when we finish, you know, guys. Outside again. Outside. Not wasting any strength on those stones. We're winning them with the sledge. Send them down the gully. So we ain't wasting any strength on those stones. And so 1, 2, 3. Roll them down a gully and so tricks in the trade, people. Watch, look at this. And so we have some piece of 2x4. Just drop them on the side to guide the stone through this little passage right here. So look at that. So those stones protect that pipe. This piece of board protect this pipe. That is it. And we're coming from right up here with those bad boys. So one more fire on that and we should be all clear outside.